Having social media accounts such as Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest is vital today, as your customers will want to interact with your business. And there is also the added benefit of being able to interact with their friends, while exchanging ideas about your service. If cancellations occur or your business is slowed down for one reason or another, you can use your social media sites to fill those canceled appointments. By offering heavily discounted grooming services, at the very least you will make some money from cancellations, and at the very best, you would have gained some more loyal customers.